Hi, good to see you again. Now, today we're going to talk about making subordinating clauses or dependent clauses. So I need you to take out your simple sentences from your writing portfolio. Then I need you to download the PDF on this page, okay? Subordinating conjunctions. I gave you a list of them. There's many, many subordinating conjunctions. You just have to memorize some of them. You can Google the others, okay? Once you have command of that, you can make dependent clauses. When you're capable of making a dependent clause, then you're able to make a complex sentence and eventually a compound complex sentence. And then you have all 4 sentence structures mastered. You're ready to start writing. Okay? So let's get started. You have that PDF in front of you now. As you can see, some of the subordinating conjunctions are because, while, when, since, that, meanwhile, okay? And there are many, many, many more. So, to make a subordinating clause, all you're going to do is take one of your simple sentences and attach one of these in front of it. So let's make some. Let's take out your simple sentences. The dog ran. The boy fell. The car crashed. Okay? Now, if we were making simple sentences, there's a noun verb, we would need a period, and we have a simple sentence. But we're going to make dependent or subordinating clauses out of these simple sentences. And all we're going to do is attach one of these in front of it. These are your subordinating clauses. We're going to call them SC. You're going to square the SC. Because, we're going to attach it. So that will become because the boy ran. We're going to attach this while the boy ran. We're going to attach this to this one when the car crashed. So this is an SC, square it. That's an SC, square it. We have a noun and a verb. We need them. There's another noun, another verb. When we have an SC, a noun and a verb, you have a dependent clause. That's all there is to it. Or they call it a subordinating clause because you're using a subordinating conjunction. Okay? That's all you need to do is take a simple sentence, attach one of your subordinating clauses in front of it, and you have a dependent clause or a subordinating clause. So, download the PDF on this particular lesson, and you're going to practice making subordinating conjunctions out of your simple sentences. You're going to need these because now we're going to combine the two to make complex sentences. Okay? I'll see you in the next video.